Design schools are really the breeding ground for our next generation of designers. There's innovation that's happening in the classroom that tends to get filtered out. By introducing our modules into the classroom directly, we're empowering designers to be able to take that initial idea and launch it into the world, bypassing all the typical hurdles that are associated with traditional manufacturing.
Being able to fully ship objects and designs straight from the classroom, I think it's an awesome experience because students have to deal with a lot of the real-world constraints that typically in a classroom setting when we're just dealing with the pure design process, we don't get into the manufacturability of things. So now this forces them to really get real with it because it is going to be a real tangible that they're going to deliver to the marketplace.
We do a lot of flat work, a lot of sketching, and we push a lot of the 2D ideation. Even on a screen, you can only use the mouse to interact with it and to move it around in space, but there's no sense of size or volume or weight, and so having it being very quickly available allows the student and the instructor to collaborate at a much deeper level.
We go through a lot of weeks of classwork and development, and oftentimes we will have something on a screen, but not too often as a fully functional product. My design is called Con, and it's a pen holder for your desk. So having the Alexa enabled speaker, I thought, hey, well, that's a pretty cool opportunity. You know, we're gonna have that around anyways. Why not make it something fun and kind of hide it on your desk?
Designing for the Nascent platform, it provided an open canvas approach. I settled more on the artistic and sculptural aspect of reimagining security camera. Originally, the idea of it being electronic confined the thought to it being something that's already in a case and it's the specific purpose. Where with this modular platform, we're opening the door where a piece of sculpture could be the speaker or the camera.
As a student, if someone comes to you and they're like, here's these modules, how do you want to arrange it? What do you think's right? What do you think can or cannot be? And you're expressive at that point.
I think there's a lot more personal connection having an actual working part that I design, because it's not just the speaker that with a story that I put in, but it's something like I made. It's a really great experience being able to manufacture the actual thing so that the next time if I want to produce another product, I already have a sense of scale already in mind without just assumptions.
We're talking about a discipline where industrial designers specifically are very much at the front end, the user experience, the need finding. And we have students in this classroom who their processes are all built around rapid ideation and rapid iteration. For the first time ever, they're able to get real world feedback on their initial assumptions and take that integrity of design and to launch that from concept all the way through to market using a modular consumer electronics platform. And this has just never been possible before.